back to my channel, Finish the Race VL, aka Victory Lap. I am Liz, the host of the show. Hi, welcome back. Thank you for joining me. As you can see by today's title, I am going to, this video is going to be for the ladies today. Things that you should consider before you repat to Africa. So ladies, I'm going to go over a list of things that you may consider taking with you before you repat to Africa. And the first thing that is on my item, I have my little list here, is men, this might be boring to you. However, this needs to be discussed. One of the things that I noticed when I had taken my trip to Nigeria, and I say this, I've said this before and I will say this again, whatever country that you do decide to repat to, or deciding to repat to, visit the country for at least a minimum of 1 month so that you have enough to navigate around the countries or different cities, shopping. You want to know, are you able to get the same type of products or items that you're used to getting in the US, UK, Canada, wherever you are around the world? One of the things that I had taken notice of that I did not see when I went to the malls and different markets is the type of makeup I wear. So even though I may not be able to find the makeup that I prefer wearing, so yes, I'm going to bulk shop on my makeup. I've been wearing the same shade of makeup forever, for at least 20 years in the company that I purchased my makeup from, which is MAC and a little bit of Maybelline and L'Oreal, but my everyday powder is MAC, and I'm going to take like 4 to 6 compacts of that. So if you know that you're used to wearing a certain shade of makeup, a certain shade of foundation, or even eyeshadows, pencils, eyeliners, lipstick, the products that you know that works well with your skin type and skin color, sister, take it with you, because you don't want to go there and see that you cannot find a match, a color match for your face. So that is to consider before repatting to Africa. Soaps. I did go to the market and different type of convenience stores that carried, you know, soaps that you would see in the US, but maybe not necessarily the brand that you like. It's usually the cheaper brand like the Ivory Coast, or I'm not saying that it's not there, because I didn't see it. I didn't see any Dove soap, but there are a particular brand of soaps that I like. I know it's kind of hard to say, are you going to take, the soap is going to last but for so long? Yeah, it would, but at least you know that in the meantime you can figure it out on where maybe there's another store that will sell this type of soap that you would like. And I'm also considering starting making my own soaps. I went on YouTube, my favorite place to go where you can learn pretty much anything on YouTube. It's learning how to make my own soaps. So this would allow me to organically make the type of moisturizing soaps that I would need for my skin type, because I have very dry skin. And then also a new hobby that I can start as well. But just to consider. Now the soaps there are a little bit different. It has a feel to it that is not so much moisturizing. It almost reminds me of hard water, if that makes any sense. But that is something to consider, the types of soaps that you want to take with you. This is a huge one, and that is hair products. They are lacking on hair products that would help your hair to maintain your healthy, natural hair, keep it moisturized, keep it cleansed, A lot of the products that I saw there were very like foreign type of products used on, I would say, the Asian Indian products. Somewhat of the silkier texture of hair. I didn't see anything that was catered to, like here in the US, you have a wide selection of black owned hair products that you can wear, like the kinky curly products, Carol's Daughter, Shea Moisture, Too Thick, Curl Mix, Melanin, all those great black owned hair products. No, I'm sorry. And please take that in bulk. Save up your coin. Go to Amazon, buy it on, wholesale or something. Go straight to the company and get the products that you are used to wearing. If not, learn how to make your own hair products, which is another thing that I'm going to embark on when I get back home to mama, because I want to go to the different markets and try the shea butter, the coconut oils, the different type of oils that they have there, the different types of herbs and just everything. And I'm going to be somewhat of a chemist, and I'm like, well, you know what, there's so many black women that created their own hair product. I'm for sure we can also do the same in Africa, in any parts of Africa, any countries in Africa. And I actually want to test it out, and I've already kind of planned it in my head. I know y'all probably thinking like, Liz, you got so much you want to do. Yes, why not? Why we can't do as much as we want to do? I'm not going to just limit myself. But yeah, I want to experiment with the different types of oils, butters, herbs, and just see what I can do to continue my hair growth and also to help other women with their hair growth, because the heat in Africa is extreme. When I was there for that 1 month, my hair texture and feel was completely different. It was very dry and brittle. I had to keep my hair wrapped to kind of keep the moisture in. But the funny thing is, ladies, my skin did the exact opposite. Now, my hair here in the US thrives, but in Africa it doesn't. Now, my skin in the US don't thrive. It is dry and brittle, and my hands get and feet get calloused. But when I was in Nigeria for that month, my skin was not dry. My hands that would normally feel rough was soft to the touch. And I was like, wow. What is the difference? But it was different. It was a difference in my hair though. Skin was feeling good. Hair was feeling dry and brittle and attacked. So that's something that I'm going to have to work out, and something that you may want to consider while you're there. Okay, so the next thing is bras and panties. I know you're probably thinking, yes, they do have them there. If you like me and you like a certain type of bra or brand of bras, or certain type of support that you're used to, of the quality of how it's made, this is me. May not be for you. Maybe it's not a big deal for you, but before I make my final repat to Africa, I'm going to do a little bit of shopping with bras to kind of stack up on that, and panties. I like a nice lingerie bra set. Men, don't get too excited in these maybe I shouldn't have brought that up. But anyways, if you're used to a certain type of quality That is something to consider, because you don't want to get there and you don't see what you like. Now that depends on where you're moving to. I'm moving remotely in a village. Doesn't mean that I can't go out and shop at different places, but I know what I like. I know what I want. Something to consider. It may not be a big deal to you, but to me it is. Um, Eyelashes. This is going back with the whole makeup thing. Eyelashes. There's a certain brand of eyelashes that I like, and maybe you can create your own brand. That's a business opportunity. Liz, calm down. You got so much you got to do. Don't worry about that. Okay, so this may not be a huge thing, but for me, cookware. I like cast iron pots, skillet, or cookware, the whole total cookware. Something that will last you for everybody's lifetime. I did see the cookware that was there. Don't get me wrong. I'm for sure if you go to one of those nice high-end stores, you'll get all the little fancy stuff. But for me, I know what I like. I know what I want. And I didn't see too much of cast iron there. I'm going to be bringing my own cookware. Those of you who have pets, dog food. Yes, dog food. My dog is on a fixed diet, and she have to eat a certain brand of dog foods because she has a sensitive digestive system. Now, I have made my own dog food for her myself. I went on YouTube and learned, because it was one time she was sick, and one of the remedies was to make a certain type of dog food, and my dog loved it. She didn't get sick. She actually got better. So that's something that you may have to consider. Either you want to take your brand of dog food to where you are, or maybe you have to learn to make your own dog food. I didn't see it, not to say that it's not there. I didn't see it because not too many people, well, the people who I saw that had pets there, and unfortunately for me, where I'm moving to, they're known to eat dogs. I know. So I didn't see too many dogs roaming around. So I know for a fact that I'm not going to be able to go to no Petco, PetSmart, or even a grocery store to get dog food. So for me, with the type of breed of dog that I have a Yorkie Palm mix. If you have a breed of dog that's used to a certain diet, either you can take it in bulk or learn how to make your own dog food. I am going to be taking a dehydrator with me because I want to start making my own spices. Not to say that they don't have the spices there, because they do, but I also want to experiment when I have my own garden of herbs and vegetables and fruits. I want to be able to make little snacks for myself, because I noticed that every store that I went to kind of get some snacks, they're huge on these biscuits type of snacks, and I want to experiment of making the type of snacks that I'm used to eating here, like the granolas, you know, different types of cookies or nougats and or whatever. I want to experiment with making my own, so I will be taking a dehydrator with me. So that's it. That's on my list. Just things that you should consider to take with you before you make your final exit to Africa or wherever, any parts of the world, because you may not find those products in those countries. Sorry if you can hear something in the background. I've been watching the Lead Attorney YouTube channel. He gives off really good information. But I guess my top three would be the makeup. Bring your makeup, bring it in bulk. Hair products would be number two. No, number one would be hair products. Yes, ladies, we have to take care of our hair. Hair products, makeup, and dog food. I guess because my dog is like my family member. Those would be my top three. those would definitely be my top three that you may consider, those of you who have pets, ladies. We have to take care of our hair, and also our makeup. You know how we want to be looking cute. But anyways, guys, thank you for tuning in on this video. It's not how you start, it's how you finish. See you until next time. Bye.